Assalamu alaikum. This is the first video of book 3 Sensorial Development. In this video we will discuss the role of senses, sensation, perception and difference between sensation and perception. Let's start. We all know that we are blessed with senses. These senses give us further information about environment. We can say that our senses are connecting bridges to the environment. To understand the role of senses better, we must need to understand the concept of sensation and perception. Sensation means signals that a sense sends to the brain about external environment, while perception refers to the mental ability to comprehend these signals. In short, we can say that senses are external organs to provide environmental knowledge to the brain, and brain's ability to understand this environmental knowledge can be called perception. It's proven through experiments that only early years of child's life is only period when senses can be sharpened if right kind of activity is provided to the children. Complete sensory development means that the sensory organs must be developed to their fullest potential and the brain must learn to interpret and understand these signals that senses send to the brain. In short, we can conclude that early years are crucial for the development of ability to use senses. Complete development is not only the development of biological sensory organs, but it is also directly proportional to the appropriate experiences at the right time during early years. In order to achieve complete development, we must provide right kind of activity at right stage of development, and only Montessori system of education provides an effective solution to provide activities in a specially prepared environment. Let me give you one example of difference between sensation and perception. In cold weather, we feel cold. Our body becomes cold. These are our senses that give us information about our surroundings. And when senses send these signals of cold to brain comprehends them and name them as cold. This is all for today. In next video we will discuss some more basic principles of Montessori material. Till then, Allah Hafiz.